Everyone, today I am going to do an experiment on floating and sinking. I have a plastic bottle lid, a leaf, rubber, a matchstick, a steel plate, safety pin, and ice. So let's put the leaf in the water and see what will happen. As we can see, the leaf is floating on the water. Now let us try with the rubber. As you can see, since it is made of rubber, it is sinking. Now let us try with the matchstick. Since the matchstick is made of wood, it is floating. Now let's try with the safety pin. The safety pin is made up of a heavier object. Now let us try with a plastic cap. As you can see, the plastic cap is floating. Now let us try with a metal plate. As you can see, it sank. Now let us try the ice. The ice is floating. Thank you.
Now let us try floating and sinking with aluminium foil. This is a flat piece of aluminium foil. I'm going to put it in the water. The aluminium foil has sunk to the bottom. Now let us try a ball of aluminium foil. I'm going to put it in the water. It's floating in the water. Now let us try a cup of aluminium foil. It is also floating in the water. Now let us try with a bottle. First, we will put the empty bottle into the water. It's floating. Now I'm going to fill it halfway. Now it's half filled and I'm going to put it in the water. It hasn't sunk completely. Now the bottle is filled completely and I'm putting it in the water. As you can see, it has sunk to the bottom.
As you saw in the previous experiment, all the heavier or denser objects like metal sank to the bottom, and all the lighter objects like wood and plastic were floating. Now, in the aluminium experiment, the ball and the cup were floating because there was air inside them, and the flat piece of aluminium sank to the bottom because there was no air, which makes it denser. In the bottle example, when the bottle was empty, it was floating because it was filled with air. When it was half filled, it partially sank because there was less amount of air in it. And when the bottle was completely full, there was no air in it, which is why it sank to the bottom.